I have total peace of mind that Philip 24 hours a day is being cared for in the most wonderful fashion by caring staff. Therefore, I can say the staff are very much aware of Philip's advanced care plan and will be happy to instigate them the moment it needs to be.
Advanced care plans are very important. They're particularly more important when our residents have moved into an environment where those looking after them don't know them.
It also helps when residents go to hospital or appointments if something happens, that there's access to their wishes, their care plans, so people know how to best care for that resident. So it's really important that everyone has access to that care plan, that the care given is what the residents and the families require.